Sent see with deep love, Third Rinkarji in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 7. In the second verse, Lord Krishna told Arjuna, Jnanam te aham sabvijnanamidam bhakshamavasheshata yajgyatva nehi bhuya ananya gyatavyam avashishyat. I shall unfold to you in its entirety His wisdom, knowledge of God in His absolute formless aspect, along with the knowledge of the qualified aspect of God, both with form and without form, having known which nothing else remains yet to be known in this world. हे अर्जुन, मैं तेरे लिए इस विज्ञान सहित तत्व ज्ञान को संपूर्णता कहूँगा, जिसको जानकर संसार में फिर कुछ और जानने योग्य शेष नहीं रहता. Saints, in same Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter number 9, second verse, Raj Vidya Raj Guhyam Pavitra Midam Uttamam Patakshaavagamam Dhamyam Susukham Kartubhmayam. This knowledge of both the Nirguna and Saguna aspects of divinity is a sovereign science, a sovereign secret, supremely holy, most excellent, directly enjoyable, attended with virtue, very easy to practice and appreciate. Saints, यह विज्ञान सहित ज्ञान सब विद्याओं का राजा, सब गोपनीयों का राजा, अति पवित्र, अति उत्तम, प्रत्यक्ष फल वाला, धर्मयुक्त साधन करने में बड़ा सुगम और अविनाशी है. So, saints, this knowledge is so pure and it is only manifested by the Lord Master Sadguru Nirankar. So saints in Sant Nirankar mission, the true Master or Sadguru reveals God to the seekers in His supreme entity, omnipresent, all-pervading, eternal and formless. Even though this supreme power is invisible to ordinary eyes, we perceive Him and realize His presence with us all around. It is also quoted in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Na tu ma shakshase drashtumanev swachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshu pashya me yogeshwaram. But surely you can't see me with these human eyes of yours. Therefore, I vouchsafe to you the divine eye. With this, you behold my divine power of yoga. हे अर्जुन, निस्संदेह तुम चर्म चक्षुओं से मेरे दर्शन नहीं कर सकता, इसीलिए मैं तुम्हें दिव्य चक्षु देता हूँ, ज्ञान चक्षु देता हूँ, जिससे तुम मेरा ये ईश्वरीय रूप देख सकते हो. So saints, God realization has a unique purpose of human life, and only the present Lord Master can reveal this God knowledge to entire humanity, because Sadguru adopts us without any consideration of age, sex, qualification, caste, religion, culture, status, and creed. He stands by us in all our joys and sorrow. If we are keen to meet Him, He is equally keen to meet us. So saints, God reveals Himself and acts through physical form of Sadguru. As Sadguru Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj stated so many times, Sometimes we think that we are human beings having divine experience. It's not true. Basically, we are the divine beings having human experience. Basic is the divinity. Lord Krishna also stated, "Here Arjun, tere mere asankhya janam hue." Forget it. What me reminds all those things. Send say with one loving voice, Dhan Nirankar Ji.